Ako na.
Oo, better. Ka muna kayo, mga cameraman. Magkalit ka naman. Magkalit ko. Hanap tayo ng Hanap mo ba yung crush mo?
Unsa magkakawa? Ay, ang mood.
Hindi ko yan kilala. Hindi ko yan kilala yung mga tao. Kilala mo? Ano pangalan mo? May attitude dun.
May attitude, may attitude.
Kasi yung mga tao kayo may attitude ko.
Oo, Naiman. Nani ang mga attitude?
Back and forth.
Oo, back and forth. Mr. President.
Okay, video ends na. Anong pangalan mo? Okay, walo opinion mo ano tapos sa ating, ano ba yan? Video shoot mo yung para, ano opinion mo doon? Maganda. So tingin mo ba ang ating performance pumatok sa God? Yes, wow! Her attitude is so amazing. Wow. Perfect. Ano pangalan mo? Dito ka lang. Anong opinion mo sa natapos mo yung klase mo? Happy, wow! Happy. Oh, ito ka. Random. Ano pangalan mo? What is your name? My name is Rizal. Jose Rizal. Hala, makaano ka dahil. Sabi mo yung
Interview yan.
pangalan mo na. Matagalog. Eh, ikaw na lang eh. Ay, interviewin. Wow! Ano?
What daw?
Kameraman!
Ano man? Ano? Heat is needed to be cool the camera.
Oh, sa bawal tayo.
Mas Spanish soldiers.
Oh, Spanish shoulders, English answer. Ang patok-patok ng answer. Ano opinion mo? Bakit magandang?
I feel escape.
Wow, okay. Next person.
Next person.
Miss Gabriel Ayer ka.
Ano opinion mo natapos mo ng klase mo ngayon? Aray ko po. Aray ko po.
Say, work hard.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
What about you? What is your opinion on Ay!
The two crushes.
Ano opinion mo sa hairstyle ni Sir Kalantok?
It's very shiny and when he said shine, we told him that his forehead is very shiny.
Wow.
And it's so majestic that I could literally fall for his forehead.
Wow! The word to use is
Hello.
my glasses.
Hello, my name is Kian Mars.
My name is Buldagol. Wow, Buldagol. Wow, so what is your favorite music? I am a butterfly by IBM Space. Okay.